Yeah. Namaste. Yeah. Look, on the regular, I'm a gentleman. That's how they raised me, but cut on an instrumental and you gon' swear I'm on Ritalin. But on the real, I'm just riddling puns and punchlines with some real talk in the middle. And I hope that you ain't fiddling. I hope I got your full attention so you can fill the holes with the things I fail to mention. Cause trust me, I ain't perfect, and I know it. And when a nigga down, I try my hardest not to show it. Hands down, who the bad man now? Born back in 91, grown man now. Hear that money calling, you should know that sound. Cause the hustle is forever, you don't slow that down. And you don't need a team to be a leader. Never walk alone, cause I'm walking with my Orishas. Life's only good if you see it. You don't gotta understand, you just gotta be a believer. How you feel, how you feel, how you feel? With the drive to go hard and the ability to chill, Lose hours in the music, piano keys, drum kits, acoustics. Nigga, I do it any environment. Work till I croak, fuck a retirement. Smiling like David down in the lion's den. All they wondering about is what I'm admiring. Nigga got them rioting. Yeah, every day, bite my tongue, put a smile on my face. They try to break me down and I still walk, but I'ma be around and that's just real talk. Every day, bite my tongue, put a smile on my face. They try to break me down and I still walk, but I'ma be around and that's just real talk. Cause all they try and do is kill us, give us some pharmaceuticals and tell us it'll heal us. Then we come back cause something else wrong. You got a headache and your doctor blames it on your cell phone. What? That ibuprofen ain't no better? I used to wonder why, I put two and two together. For the benefit of who should be the subject, who's pulling the strings, better yet, who's the puppet? Well fuck it, I'ma just do it my way. Take the scenic route instead of the highway. Volume up loud, all you gotta do is listen. Focus on what's there, forget about what's missing. Pushing 60 in a 45 and I can't even tell. And that ain't even cause I'm high, as you can smell. I don't need a shell, one hit of pack. I'm leaning back like a nigga fell. I've been through some shit that would leave you petrified. I spit that real shit, they be like, oh, you ain't never lied, boy, you crazy. Damn right, my nigga, you get crazy when you up all night, my nigga. Plotting on your next move, I'm thinking 3 steps ahead like a chess move. Checkmate, so why you worry about that next dude? He getting bronze, I'm the one he's standing next to. Y'all ain't ready, I'm a rare commodity. A nigga with a brain, with a real nigga flow that ain't critically acclaimed. Yeah, they nervous, cause I'm impervious in the sense that my flow is impenetrable. And as I vent, I'm looking back on this life I live, no regret. Getting money is easy, it's harder to get respect, And I know a lot of people won't agree. It's just how I view the world, I just call it like I see it. Yeah, every day, bite my tongue, put a smile on my face. They try to break me down and I still walk, but I'ma be around and that's just real talk.